Meta earnings top estimates amid big growth in AI spending. Meta Platforms, Meta, reported fourth-quarter earnings that topped analysts' estimates as revenue grew more than 20% year-over-year.
Meta projects weak sales forecast. Meta Platforms Inc. is projecting worse-than-expected sales in the current quarter, risking doubt that it can grow its digital advertising business quickly enough to support significant planned investments in artificial intelligence and other futuristic products. Shweta Kajuria of Wolfe Research is on Bloomberg. The close.
Meta beats on top and bottom lines. Stock slips on Q1 revenue guidance. CNBC's Julia Boorstin joins Closing Bell Overtime with Meta earnings.
Meta agrees to pay Trump $25 million to settle his lawsuit. President Trump had sued Meta and other tech firms in 2021, arguing that he had been wrongfully censored by them. Meta also reported a 21% increase in quarterly revenue.
Meta Q4 beats on top and bottom lines amid AI jitters, reported legal settlement with President Trump. Meta beat on key fourth-quarter numbers, but forecasts for the current first quarter disappointed a bit as investors wait to grill CEO Mark Zuckerberg on a range of topics from AI rivals and investments and new social media moderation policies.
Meta's Reality Labs posts $5 billion loss in fourth quarter. Meta's Reality Labs unit recorded an operating loss of $4.97 billion, while generating $1.1 billion in sales during the fourth quarter. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg kickstarted his company's VR endeavors in 2014 when it acquired Oculus for $2 billion.
Meta forecasts first-quarter revenue below estimates. Meta Platforms forecast first-quarter revenue below Wall Street estimates on Wednesday, signaling its bets on pricey artificial intelligence-powered tools were struggling to attract additional digital ad dollars to its social media platforms.
Meta reports fourth quarter and full year 2024 results. Menlo Park, California, January 29, 2025. PR Newswire. Meta Platforms, Inc., NASDAQ, Meta. Today reported financial results for the quarter and full year ended December 31, 2024.
Meta to appeal against $831 million. EU Antitrust. Fine. Meta says it will fight a $831 million fine levied against the tech giant by the European Union. A company spokesperson told Bloomberg News on Wednesday, January 29, that Meta was appealing the fine.
Meta to report fourth quarter earnings amid DeepSeek mania and ballooning AI investments. Zuckerberg likely to be asked about plans to spend $60 minus $65 billion on AI in 2025, as tech giant faces increased competition.
Meta's cranking up the AI spend. Will the efforts pay off? Meta Platforms, NASDAQ Q. Meta seems to be in a strange spot amid the DeepSeek AI cost efficiency breakthrough after announcing its plans to spend as much as $65 billion on AI efforts in 2025 just last week.
Meta to report fourth quarter earnings after the bell. Meta is slated to report fourth quarter earnings on Wednesday after the close of regular trading. Meta shares are up over 11% since October 30th, when it reported third quarter earnings and said it would raise the low end of its 2024 capital expenditures guidance from $37 billion to $38 billion.
Can Meta win in the DeepSeek AI era? Today's earnings call will hold clues. Meta reports earnings Wednesday afternoon. Investors will be focused on the implications of DeepSeek's success and on the less flashy topic of currency pressures.